it's probably time for a new video. We're going to dinner, and then I'm going back to New York City. It's been a good, like, 24 hours? Less, 20 hours.
Cool.
Okay, it's catching Camille.
I'll be right with you. You pulled for take a picture of like Mexico. That would actually be really great.
No, she's actually pretty old. She's like different.
Well, I really missed an opportunity for a pun there.
It's a weird building.
Really good job looking contemplative.
No boy.
We are about to eat these burritos over here. It's, you know, it's just so scenic. Also, it's definitely not this light in real life. It looks way better on the camera. Yeah. Nice. Jesus, this is shaky. Okay, on the train headed back now. It's a good time. I'm gonna go to sleep. Thanks for watching. Home sweet home.